this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. So guys, today we are going to discuss the second mechanical actuation system, which is belt drive. Now a belt drive is used to transmit power between two shafts which are at a particular distance. For transmission of power, we use two pulleys which are connected to the shafts. We wrap the belt around these two pulleys. Now, when we provide power to one of these pulleys, the first pulley starts rotating, which is called driver pulley. Now, since this belt is wrapped all around the system, hence second pulley also starts rotating, which is called driven pulley. Now, in the lower side, since the belt tightens, hence this side is known as tight side and upper side is known as slack side. So these are two sides, tight side and slack side. The tension in tight side is always greater than that in slack side, and this maximum tension is represented by T1. The tension of slack side is represented as T2. Now we have two systems in belt drive. One is open belt drive and another is crossed belt drive. As you can see in the diagram, when belt is wrapped simply on both the pulleys, the system is known as open belt drive. In second figure, you can see that belt is wrapped around both the pulleys in a cross way, so it is called crossed belt drive. Now, if tensions in tight side and slack side are T1 and T2, then the ratio of tensions is given as T1 upon T2 equal to e to the power mu theta, where mu is the coefficient of friction between belt and pulley and theta is angle of wrap. Now, what is angle of wrap? You can see the belt is not in contact with whole the pulley all the time. The angle which it makes at the center, that is known as angle of wrap. The portion of pulley which is in contact with belt, it makes the angle at the center, that angle is known as angle of wrap. So the ratio of tensions in belt drive is given as T1 upon T2 equal to e to the power mu theta. Now power transmitted by this belt drive is P equal to T1 minus T2 into V, where V is the velocity. Similarly, torque can also be find out for each of the pulley by using the formula T equal to T1 minus T2 into small r. So it can be calculated differently for driver pulley as well as for driven pulley using radius R1 and R2. So guys, this is all about the belt drive. Belt drive is generally used when the two shafts are at a larger distance. If the belts are at if the shafts are at a small distance, then we can use chain drive or gear drive. Now types of belts, we have flat belt, V belt and round belt. These are three types of belts. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone.